Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. Today, we will be solving the inequality 4m plus 2 is less than or equal to 18. We will first solve this inequality algebraically and then represent our solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality 4m plus 2 less than or equal to 18, we need to isolate the variable m on one side of the inequality sign. In this first step, let's focus on removing the 2 on the left-hand side of the inequality, 4m plus 2 less than or equal to 18. We can do this by subtracting 2 from both sides of the inequality. Let's perform the subtraction now. When we subtract 2 from the left-hand side, we have 4m plus 2 minus 2. This simplifies to just 4m because 2 minus 2 is 0. Now, we must also subtract the same amount from the right-hand side to maintain the balance of the inequality. So we subtract 2 from 18. 18 minus 2. This gives us 16. Now, combining the simplified left-hand side with the new right-hand side, we get 4m less than or equal to 16. We have successfully altered the expression by removing the constant term 2 from the left-hand side, leaving us with 4m less than or equal to 16. This simplification is crucial as it helps us move closer to isolating the variable m. In interval notation, once we solve the inequality completely, we will be able to express our solution in this form. For now, let's continue to the next steps to find the actual range for m. Next, we need to continue isolating the variable m by eliminating the coefficient attached to m. Right now, we have 4m less than or equal to 16. 4m means 4 times m. To isolate m, we need to undo this multiplication. The way to do this is to divide both sides of the inequality by 4. Let's perform this division now. First, we divide the left-hand side by 4. 4m divided by 4. Since 4 divided by 4 equals 1, we are left with just m on the left-hand side. Now we'll divide the right-hand side by 4. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Combining both sides, we get m less than or equal to 4. This means that m can be any number less than or equal to 4. To express this solution in interval notation, we indicate all numbers from negative infinity to 4, including 4 itself. The interval notation for this solution is negative infinity to 4 with 4 included. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.